Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I am going to introduce you to a couple of Shemodern's new products, as well as talking about the differences between them, because they both happen to be a gel product. Okay, so she has come out with the grip gel and the glue gel. And I'm going to explain to you what the difference is between the two, how would you use one versus the other, and I will do a demonstration using these tips, as well as I do have a couple of tutorials for you on this video towards the end, okay? Now I will also tell you about Shemodern's current 55% off sale that is going on now. I will have the link down in the description bar below, so you guys go check it out, and you can take more than half off of these products if you're interested in getting them. Okay, so let's talk about the grip gel first. And if you look at the label here, it says for base, top coat, foil art, or glue gel. Okay, and so this is, you can think of this as just your regular gel top coat. It cures with an inhibition layer, which you have to wipe off. You may go right over the foils with this gel top coat and they will not be ruined, but it will have an inhibition layer and you have to clean that off with alcohol. Okay, so this will act just like your typical gel top coat. And it cures 30 seconds under my 48-watt LED/UV lamp. Now I have here just some tips finished with some gel color, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the grip. This is the grip gel. This is the one that is used as a top coat. And I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds and show you what it looks like when it's cured. Okay, so here's my grip gel nail tip with it already cured out of the lamp, and I want to show you what happens. See what happens when I put my finger on it? That has a tacky layer, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off with alcohol. And there you can see it's nice and shiny now. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and pulled out the other bottle. Here's the glue gel, and the glue gel, guys, is nothing more than a substitute to the foil glue. Now these bottles are 10 ml, both of them are. And see this long handle? It allows for a nice ergonomic grip of that brush on this bottle. So I am grateful for Tina having designed or chosen these bottles for these products. I do appreciate the long handle on these bottles. The brushes and the formula work really well. So compared to this, I mean, look, you've seen, if you've had these foil glues for a while, look, they get messy. And another disadvantage to these foil glues is that you get the brush strokes, and they do show. Okay, now granted, this is something that you will still need if you use regular polish, but if you use the gel rather than using a foil glue like this one over the gel for these Shemodern arts, or whether you use other foils or glitters, I totally recommend this glue gel. This is an awesome product that she had just come out with, and is by far my favorite. And I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate to you on the tip so you can see the difference. So you will apply this right over your finished nail, okay? Just before you're going to apply the art, you apply this over your finished color and cure for 30 seconds. So here's the finished tip with that glue gel, and what I want you to see is, you notice the difference between, well, I already wiped this off with alcohol. This does not have an inhibition layer, and it is tacky, guys, but it is not as strong as the foil glue. Nonetheless, it really grabs onto your foils and your glitters. It does a really, really good job at adhering them to the nail, and it has a very good glue base. I mean, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not super tacky, but it's tacky enough for the foils and glitters to stay on it, and I like that. And also the Shemodern stencils, it makes it super easy for you to apply them, play with them, peel them off, and put them back on, as you will later see in one of the tutorials. So I'm going to go, this is the nail tip that I have the glue on, and I have my water decal here on my stamper. You guys know that's my favorite way to applying these foils. And there we go. Remember when we used to use, and you can pat on, I mean, I like this because, again, it's not so sticky that you feel any of this stain on your skin. Look at that nice grip, right? And I didn't even cut this. I didn't cut the slits around this image right here on the foil like we really should, but these tips are not as curved as my natural nails. See that? Nice grip. And now, yeah, of course, once you put it in there, you cannot move it around. And this will take the place of us having to use anything clear like this to get these water decals to stick, okay, and stay in place. Now I'm going to go ahead, I am going to reapply another layer of grip gel over the first tip because I already wiped off the inhibition layer. And now, of course, you can use this grip gel as a top coat. So it's going to, I'm going to finish the art here, apply it over the foil for a nice glossy finish. And I'll go ahead and put them on the lamp. Okay, now they're both out of the lamps, and like I said, they still have the tacky layer, but with the nail with the grip gel, this one, you can also use that one to apply foils, okay? I'm going to go ahead and apply this one here. But because of that inhibition layer, it is slippery, so you still have a chance to move this around. Okay, you see that? It moves. I mean, you can move it because of that inhibition layer. See that? And if you touch it, you can press down on it, and you are feeling that inhibition layer. But I'm going to go ahead and top coat it again. Now that they're both out of the lamp, I need to go ahead and wipe the inhibition layer. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you here. So this was me just playing around, goofing around, testing it out. This is a foil. This was not a water decal. So again, the glue, you can use it to apply it. If you still have the old foils, if you remember these old foils that require the foil glue for application, that's what this is. And yes, those will still work. That glue is good for applying those regular foils. That's what this one is. So this again, it's a regular old foil. This is a water decal over the glue. I didn't do anything on this nail. And then I tried the foils from, you know, this is an old cheapy foil from Born Pretty store. Let me take you up close. So the top part I used the old traditional standard foil glue. The bottom I use Shemodern's glue gel. And again, so prior to me applying the top coat, this one, it showed brush strokes. You know, this shows brush strokes. This one didn't because it's a gel, and it was so much smoother and cleaner application using this gel glue. So these are products that Shemodern has included in their store to allow you the opportunity to get everything in one place, okay? If you purchase glitters, if you purchase their foils, while you're there, go ahead and grab a gel top coat and for sure the glue, okay? So yeah, it allows you to, that one-stop shop. The less you have to hop around for products that you need to complete your nail art, the better. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you with a couple of tutorials. I hope this helped you understand more the difference between the glue and the grip. When will you use one versus the other? Which one to start out with? If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Now I will suggest you stay tuned for the rest of the video because I do have a surprise for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, Okay guys, so while you are enjoying the next couple of tutorials, what I want to announce is that I have a giveaway for you guys, sponsored by Shemodern. The prize is going to be a $10 gift certificate that you may spend on their website in any way you want. And I want to do this. I'm not going to keep it on for very long because I like you to take advantage of their 55% off discount or sale going on ending February 14th, Valentine's Day. So here we go really quick. As for the rules of the giveaway, you must be over 18 years old. This is open to US and international, but please know that the items will only be shipped once. There will be 8 winners, a total of 8 winners. 5 for the US and 3 international. You must be subscribed to me, this channel, NAQ57, as well as Shemodern. All links will be down in the description bar below, and of course your subscriptions must be public. I will check. The winners will be picked at random, and I am going to announce them on the 25th. Now, to enter the giveaway, please go ahead and write below, enter me, and please tell me whether you are US or international, because I need to know to make sure that I select the correct amount for each side, okay? The 5 for US and the 3 for international, but I need to know which one you are. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Good luck with the giveaway. Have fun with it, and I'll talk to you guys again next time. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.